So today we are going to make some of these Yo Mama's Biscuit Mix by Gullah Gourmet. I've already taken the packaging apart to make this a little bit easier. So the instructions are pretty simple. You're just going to add a cup of milk to the ingredients that are in the packaging, and then we're going to stir them together and drop them by a spoonful and then stick them on a greased pan to bake. I'm actually just going to use nonstick foil for right now and see how that goes. So I'm going to dump the packaging. There we go. Stir in my milk. I'm using 2%, but you can use whatever you want. Stir it up. Whoops. I think this is pretty well mixed up. Don't you agree? I mean, that looks good. And these little chunks that you see are just like pieces of butter that are already like mixed into the packets. All right, so next the instructions, whoops, excuse my hand, just said to drop them by the spoonful onto the cooking sheet. So see, just drop them onto the sheet by a spoonful, and then they're gonna cook for about 10 minutes at 400 degrees, and I've already preheated the oven to 400 degrees, and then we are gonna start dropping them. Things seem to be a little messy. Let's try it this way. I don't know how much these are gonna spread. So, oops, we're gonna see how this goes. I'm so making a mess, but that's okay. I'm just adding a little bit more to these because I don't think I got quite a full like spoonful of them on the pan, but we'll see. You live and learn, right? All right, so next they are going to go into the oven for 10 minutes and we will see how they turn out, and we will be back. So, excuse my dirty glass, but I wanted to show you guys that they aren't spreading very much, so I'm super happy about that, and they are rising, so I think I did good by adding a little bit on top to make them like a full like heaping spoonful as the directions instructed. So let's wait and see. We got about 5 more minutes left, and we'll see how good they turned out. Thanks. Alright, let's see how these turned out. They smell so good. So then, there we go. Oh, those look so delicious. Yes. So I am going to hopefully show the inside of the biscuit. Oh, so delicious.